Hello guys. I'm back here. There's tornadoes in here. That is in Estevan. Not in Estevan, I meant. Look, we are in Estevan. And this is the tornadoes. I thought it was critical. It's included this. It has lots. And also, where's that thing? Another one? Yeah, this one. The instructions. Be prepared for okay. I hope everyone's safe on the tornado. If God is with us, God is always with us. If you pray, God is always with us and looking. I hope there was no injuries or killed by a lightning strike. And we'll leave mobile homes, vehicles, tents, trailers, and another temporary or freestanding shelter, and move a strong building if you can. I think brick can beat that. Possibly brick can beat that. I think it cannot beat but the thunderstorm like brick, I think. Or something else like a basement. Not sure. Okay, when a tornado has been reported, or when there's evidence based on radar, or at the revealing spot or the oh no. There's more tornadoes. I hate summer. Okay. I hope you have a safe day during these tornadoes during this time. If you're been sucked in, if you just sucked in here, listen to these things or at the news or any weather or other alerts apps. This one's alertable in here, like I'm tapping now. So just listen to these instructions. They're very, very helpful. And God is always with us. And peace and goodbye.